Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Initia airdrop. Now Initia has received a overall funding of around $7.5 million and this airdrop should be a decent airdrop. Now their Initia public testnet is live from 14th May. So you are still early in order to farm this airdrop. And please note that all the tasks in this video would be free. So you don't have to spend money in order to farm this airdrop. Although do your own research. None of this is a financial advice. Now with regards to funding, as you can see, they have raised a overall funding of around 7.5 million. And these people are a group of former Terra and Cosmos developers over here. Now in order to farm this airdrop, the first step that you have to do is you will need to go ahead and download this Initia wallet to your Chrome browser and set it up. Now once you set up this wallet over here, all you can do is basically you can go to their faucet testnet over here and request for some Initia or Init tokens. Now most probably this Init tokens would be airdropped once the mainnet is launched. So with regards to the criteria, basically you have to generate a few XP on the platform and as well as mint one pet and then level up that pet in order to be ranked higher in terms of airdrop eligibility. Now I will exactly show you what all you can do in order to do that. So the first thing that you have to do is if we go to my Safari over here, and as you can see, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to complete all of this task over here. So the first task is you have to get like 30 Init tokens as faucet, which I've already shown you. And then the next task is you have to buy and assign a Initia username. Please note that all these tasks are free, so you don't have to spend a single money. Now with regards to rest of the task, I will exactly go ahead and show you. Now faucet was pretty easy. Like once you request faucet in your wallet, it will show you the 30 Init tokens maybe in 1 or 2 minutes. Now with regards to buying and assigning the Init username, basically you can go to this link over here and you can search for any name over here. So if I search for crypto insight, someone has already taken this, so I won't be able to go ahead and mint this. As you can see, this is not available, but if you want, you can search for any other name and connect your Initia wallet and go ahead and mint your username. Now with regards to swap, stake and stake liquidity pool, I will exactly show you on their website where I have connected the wallet over here. So what you have to do is once you connect your wallet over here, the first thing that you can do is you have to go to swap over here and change this to Init, and over here swap one Init each to USDC, TIA and ETH. So do this like 3 times. So one Init for equivalent amount of USDC, then similarly do it for TIA, then do it for ETH as well. Now once you do that, once the swap is successful, all you have to do is you have to go to stake over here, and then you can go ahead and add this liquidity pool over here. So there is USDC to Init, then there is ETH to Init, TIA to Init and Init itself. So basically go ahead and stake all of this Init token with one validator and this with different validators over here. Now once you complete all of this task, then you would be able to go ahead and mint the NFTs over here. And once you mint all of these 6 NFTs, then you would be able to mint this pet called as Genie over here. So as you can see, my pet level is currently 1, and you can use my sign up referral code, which is this one. I will also leave this in a description as it will help me and as well as help you get some additional XP over here, and it really supports my channel. Now once you start getting XP over here, all you can do is you can basically go over here and start feeding your baby Jenny in order to level it up. Now once you do that, you can basically go back to your main page over here, and over here you will be able to go ahead and check your rank. So as you can see, my rank is more than 200,000, which is pretty far as compared to rest of the competition over here. So I'm not sure how much of the points I will be getting or how much of the airdrop, but still, I mean, it's worth the try. That's not a big issue for me. And hopefully, like as and when my pet will start leveling up, I will climb the ladder board, and similarly you guys will also climb the ladder board, and we all receive a decent chunk of this airdrop. Now, apart from this, apart from leveling up your pet, what you can do is you can go to their governance proposals also, and maybe you can go ahead and start voting on these different proposals if you want to go ahead and vote them. But I would advise is like go ahead and vote for all these proposals over here. As you can see, there were quite a few of these proposals in the past which got rejected, maybe because of less user base, I think so. But if you want, you can go ahead and basically vote on this, which I would advise is go ahead and do this. Now, in order to earn some additional XP and additional points for this, you can also, as you can see, they have mentioned, you can start interacting with different dApps on the Initia testnet. So there is like this Blackwing.5. Now, I haven't gone and actually have a look at all of this, because see, if we look at Blackwing over here, they also have this different airdrop section over here, and for claiming this airdrop you will need some invite code. I will need to go ahead and check after I sign it up over here. And then there is this lunchland.xyz, and there is tucana.zone, and there is another DApp over here. Now, one more thing what you can do is basically you can go over here, you can go to your wallet over here, and you can add these different assets over here. So what you have to do is at the start it will only show you this Initia over here. So you can go ahead and add this Blackwing, Init, Tucana, Mini Swarm. So basically simply go ahead and click over here, manage my over here, and simply go ahead and add all of this to your Initia wallet over here. Now once you do that, all you can do is basically you can go to their bridge over here, and you can bridge your Init tokens in between different networks over here. So as you can see, there is this Init AI, then there is Minimove, Miniswarm, Tucana, Init Testnet, and Blackwing. So once you transfer your Init to, maybe I will go ahead and show you the example. So for example, one Init, I will select the network as maybe Init AI over here, and I will select my address, and in the token, native token, I will select Init or Initia native token and click on submit over here. And I will go ahead and put in my wallet password and simply go ahead and accept over here and wait for the transfer to be over. Now once you have this, now I have like actually gone ahead and transferred this Init to Init AI over here. So if I go to their website over here, basically what you can do is you can go ahead and mint few of these NFTs over here. Now I think these NFTs will cost you like maybe one Init, I think so. Let me go ahead and check if I am able to mint this. For some reason it's giving me error, I'm not able to mint this collection over here. But if you want, you can go ahead and generate your own collection and try to mint any of this over here. So I will later on like go ahead and refresh and check if I am able to go ahead and mint this any NFT. Similarly, what you can do is maybe you can go and like transfer your Init tokens to maybe Minimove or Minivasm or Tucana and start interacting with these dApps over here. As you can see, so Tucana is basically a DEX and a perpetual on the Initia network. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to farm the Initia airdrop, and there are few more quests that would be coming on the Initia net in few days, which I will keep you guys posted. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.